Yes, good morning everyone. This is Dr. Roslyn Dadural doing my routinary makeup procedure. First of all, I'm done with my blower for my hair, and then yeah, like this. I just finished taking a bath, and now I dried my hair. Oh, you see my hair very scary because it's curly. It's hard to yeah. Then I will comb my hair and of course apply some of this. You see this? This is Yule Rose. I'll try to manage my hair because it's really uh, how do you call this? Uh, Hindi ko na alam ang pangalan nito. Nag-aalsa balutan. Yeah. Because of this curly. But I will manage it. Let us see in a while. So I'll just place this one. Trying to manage the hair. Okay, Yule Rose. I bought it in the YouTube. And it's very mura lang. I'll try to apply. Okay. And then, of course, it says here, when you apply, hair will be straightened. But I don't think so. Just a little lang. Oh, just a little uh, straightening. But I'll see if, maybe if you apply more, it will. From curly to straight. But I don't think I had applied several times and I did not, I was not satisfied with the, if it's really a straight hair, from curly to a straight hair. Let me see. So, ayan. Pero it's alright. I'm already satisfied with this. Okay? Okay, I'm done now with my hair using this Yule Rose. Okay, now, still for my hair, I'll apply the oil, okay, to make it nourish and shiny. See? Okay, this one. This is Vitres. Yeah, okay. Now I apply. Okay. See? Hindi na gaanong malsa, no? Right? Okay. I'll forgo all the rebonding. I'll forgo the ironing first because it will make our hair brittle. It will not be healthy for our hair. Okay? Now, next now is my serum. Yeah, I forgot to show you my retinol serum. Apply it twice a day. Okay, here. 2 to 3 drops. Okay. These are all experiment, this kind of drops. I just bought it from the Facebook and use it. I don't know. I use this for less than a week. I'll see if there is improvement on my face. Okay. Then let it dry. Okay. And also massage circular motion. Okay. So apply it in circular motion. So at the same time, it will massage your face. It will help in face lifting ko, no? I don't know. But we cannot really hide our age now. They're already sagging, very visible sagging. Maybe if we will go to a derma aesthetic salon wherein there is laser lifting, kung marami na akong pera, yun. Tsaka nandun naman yata sa, yeah, we have Decorado and the Dr. Remedios, yeah, for the facelifting, but sayang yung pera. Okay? Sayang ang pera, bili na lang natin ng makakain. Di ba? But we can do this naman. The natural way, tonics we can use for the facelifting at night. We can use also egg white. Okay? And then calamansi for the astringent or toner. Okay? We can use that because when I was still, in my teenage or my student days, pre-med days, to speak of, that calamansi and egg white are my makeup or for my face. Now, so there are already a lot of products now in the market, so why not experiment on it? So now I will proceed to my foundation. Yan, this is my foundation. Revlon naman, may class ng konti. Revlon, okay? So this is my foundation. I'll now apply it to my face. Just put it on your palm and then spread it at your fingertips like that. Okay, it will cover your all the freckles, some fine wrinkles. Okay, and apply it to your just the top like that, and then you again move it through circular motion to spread it. Okay, like that. Okay, I don't know if it's already okay. Okay, kahit pa paano, na-cover lahat yung ibang blemishes and other fine wrinkles. Now, I'll proceed to my